What's up you guys, welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. Today we're showing you guys how to replace the rear brake pads on your Series 3 XJ6 without dropping the rear suspension. If the master cylinder is completely full, start by reducing the brake fluid with a syringe before compressing the caliper pistons. Or you can leave the cap open and put some towels around the master cylinder to catch the brake fluid spills when the pistons are being compressed. Place some wheel chucks in front of the tires. Raise the jack from the rear differential. It's best to have a wood block on the floor jack to avoid damaging the cage. Place the jack stands under the jacking peg mount, not under the peg itself. The Jag is equipped with an IRS unit. The brake calipers are mounted directly on the differential. Use the needle nose pliers to rotate the guide pins and remove the retainer pins. Use a channel lock or a vice grip to compress the caliper with the old brake pads inside. You can also use some needle nose pliers. Clean the caliper with a stiff brush, brake cleaner, and some towels. Add some brake lubrication on the new brake pads before installing them. Put everything back together and do the same for the other side. Remember to close the master cylinder cap and pump the brake pedal a few times. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.